Welcome to Restful Mind Meditations. Begin your day with clarity and calm energy in this short breathwork session. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes gently. Lengthen your spine and let's awaken the body together. In this simple, mindful breathing practice, we'll inhale gently through the nose for 4 counts, hold for 3, and exhale slowly through the mouth for 6. With each breath, draw in fresh, vibrant energy. And with each exhale, release any heaviness from yesterday. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Continue at your own pace. Feel the breath cleanse and awaken every cell. With each inhale, imagine light filling your body. With each exhale, let go of tiredness and tension. Feel your mind brighten and your energy expand. Take one more deep breath in and release. You are refreshed, centered, and at peace. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly. Carry this calm energy with you into the day ahead. Thank you for joining Restful Mind Meditations. Please like and subscribe for more moments of calm. Namaste.